Okay, hello, sixth grade. Today we're on lesson 103. We're going to do another lesson in perimeter, but this time it's going to be with complex shapes. Okay, so little more challenging than the perimeter that we did before. But if you remember, to find perimeter, all you do is add the length of the sides all the way around, and you'll have your perimeter. So that's the easy part. Okay, but if we started adding these all the way around, they haven't listed how long the length of this line is, or how long the length of that line is. So we're going to have to figure that out before we can find our perimeter. Okay, now we need to know how long this line is. Okay, well, let's look at the line opposite that, which is 7 centimeters. And see, that's the length of the whole figure. But we don't know how much this part is of this line, but we know what's across from it. And then, see, this line kind of extends up here. So we take the 7 minus 3, and then we get 4. Okay, so 4 centimeters. You say, wait a minute, how did you get that? Look directly across. You take that number, and then the number that's next to this line, which is the 3, so 7 minus 3 would be 4. Okay? Now, we still got to figure out how long this line is. Okay? Now, this line goes vertically, and this one's right across from it. So that's 6 centimeters. Now, the other one that's vertical is right over here, which it's like that line kind of extends down here. So 6 minus 4 is 2 centimeters. Okay? Then all you do is add these numbers now all the way around, since you've got a length for each line segment. Okay, so 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 4 is 26. So it'd be 26 centimeters. And you may need to go like this: 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. Just write it down. Write the numbers all the way around and add them up. Okay? So to make sure we don't miss any: 4, 7, 6, 3, 2, and 4. Okay? All right, there's that one. Let's do one more. These examples are in your book today also for this lesson. Okay? Let me draw another one on the board here. We'll try to figure this one out. This one looks like a big L. Okay, let's see. This is 4 inches up here. Over here is 8 inches. Down here is 10 inches. And over here is 2 inches. Okay? All right. Notice that we have 2 lines that we don't know the length of. This one and this one. Okay? So, we know we have, we don't know what's here, but if you go right across from that, here's your 10, and then right across from that is your 4. So subtract those two. 10 minus 4 would give us 6 inches here. Okay? Because see, 6 and 4 is 10, and then you've got 10. Okay, now we don't know what's here, but look at our 8. Okay? If we do 8, and what's across from that? Well, what's across from it, we don't know that, but what's across from it is this. Okay? So 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 inches. Okay? All right, so now we just add them up. Let's start with our 8 plus our 10 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4. Make sure we didn't miss any. 8 plus 10 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4. And if you add those numbers correctly, you will get 36 inches. Okay? And again, these examples are in your book, so if you need to look at those examples and kind of read the book's explanations as well, that'll be good, or you may need to watch the video again. Okay? All right, send me answers to your lesson practice.